A number of new laws will take effect on Thursday, including several aimed at the insurance industry as the state struggles with cost and policy availability. KTVU's Tom Vakar joins us from Sonoma County tonight, where wildfires scared many insurers into mass cancellations and non-renewals. Tom?
In fact, that is right. You know, there's been a lot of progress and some movement, but the fact is insurers surely retain the upper hand on this. Perhaps the most important change for homeowners is that the state will create its own wildfire catastrophe fire risk computer model to check it against rates charged by insurers' own secret computer models.
Right now, consumers have no window into why fire models charge them what they do or decide they're uninsurable.
Why? Because insurers' models do not have to account for risk improvements made by homeowners or utilities.
We want to make sure that the models that they're using don't exaggerate risk, don't overstate risk and cause rates to be higher than they should.
Another big change, 2 state legislators will now sit on the board of the FAIR Plan, California's insurer of last resort.
But they're not allowed to vote, and all of their proceedings are still private. They will have no influence over any decision the FAIR Plan makes, for example, to not pay the smoke claims that fire survivors submit.
There's going to be an awful lot of accountability and a lot more transparency coming. By putting people in that room, we can be sure that they're actually going to follow what they're supposed to be doing.
I would like to see the consumer member of the board have a vote, and I'd like to see the legislative member also have a vote.
Another change, insurers must pay 60% of a homeowner's personal property coverage limit, even if they don't have an inventory list of all their personal property and contents.
You're going to be able to get up to $350,000 without having to itemize anything.
Those with a provable list can get 100%. Another new rule extends wildfire cancellation and non-renewal moratorium protections to businesses, not just homeowners, in disaster zones.
Extending the non-renewal moratorium protections to businesses that are in the vicinity of where there's been a disaster is really important.
The legislature has also created a fund to help individuals and communities do things to mitigate and reduce wildfire risks and losses.
Everyone, from the insurance companies to homeowners, agree if we harden our homes, we make them less fire prone, they're less likely to burn down.
We need a lot more of this. I would love to see low interest or no interest loans available at large scale for people to be able to do things to harden their homes.
As yet, insurers have not agreed to provide discounts or coverage to those who harden their homes, nor are they required to stop cancellations, non-renewals, or even sell any policies at all if they choose not to. Some progress, but not much. Tom Vakar, KTVU FOX 2 News, Claudine, back to you.
And the conversation will continue in the debate. Thanks, Tom.